Learning Python can be difficult. You might spend lots of time with reading books and watching videos. However, if you can't put all the concepts into a practice, it will be a waste of time. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 Python projects you can finish within a week from beginner level to advanced level.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors is a classic game I'm sure you are familiar with.
Try this with rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock.
What the frig is that?
Oh, it's very simple. Scissors cuts paper, paper covers rock. Rock crushes lizard, lizard poisons Spock. Spock smashes scissors, scissors decapitates lizard, lizard eats paper, paper disproves Spock, Spock vaporizes rock, and as it always has, rock crushes scissors.
Here the main thing you will master if statement and loops. At starting, I made the user to get their choice as a number 1, 2, 3. Then using if statement, I made a set of execute statement under if condition. You will get to know all types of 3 if statement that are if, else, elif. Then I am using a while statement. The difference between if statement and while statement is if statement gives you once the possibility to do something or not, whereas a while loop does things as long as the condition is true. You also get to know about nested loop. I didn't finish it completely because this is the easiest project you will ever make. I will put down the source link and you can use it as a reference.
With this beginner project, we will learn how to implement some basic Python stuff like if statement, list and input. You can also create games like tic-tac-toe or snake games.
Accessing files.
Most jobs require you to sort files or managing files or even deleting files with a predefined syntax where I myself need lots of time.
In this case, I am going to remove the files that are older than 2 days. OS module in Python provides function for interacting with the operating system. Time module gets present time. I'm getting the file's details like time and the file name from the path of the directory. Then I'm comparing with the time. Basically what I did here is converted 48 hours into seconds. If the file presented longer than 2 days, it will be removed. I'm getting the location of the directory. You can see there are lots of video files here. Don't forget to change the backward slash. Now when we run, we will see the files which are deleted. You can check it again. Creating a graphical user interface.
Being able to interact to your code with a graphical user interface so anyone can test what you have developed.
Python's libraries like Kinter, Pyquet and Kiwi will help you create a GUI with buttons, windows and lots of other widgets that make it easier for user to interact with your application. So now I'm using Kinter. I'm not a master in Kinter yet. So I'm going to build a basic application with small checkbox kind of thing. I'm creating a check button with the text and size. You can also improve with the color and the shape of checkbox. Wait for an event to occur and process the event as long as the window is not closed. You can see I made application for small checkbox. And if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe now, because none of them is subscribed. If you are subscribed, then thank you so much. Build a website.
If you ever dreamed about building your own website, you can do it with Python. Two of the most popular frameworks for web development in Python is Django and Flask. I made a tutorial video on that. I will put the link in the description. You can check it out.
This is a website that inspired me to create a website. As I am scrolling down, he made a blog about himself in a beautiful animation. There are lots of websites like this that make you to think how they really do it. I don't know why he made this at the end, but it was beautiful. Web scraping.
Web scraping is a term used to describe a program or algorithm to extract and process a large amount of data from web. I already made a video on that. I will put the link in the description below. You can check it. And that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will put all the source link down below in the description, but make it as a reference. Try to think on your own and code by yourself. See you guys next time. Predefined syntax